Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be on, my stomach gurgling should probably tell you what I eat in a day at uni. So this should be fun. I'm gonna try and include meals that are easy, healthy, and taste good. And pretty much, yeah. Just remember that I am going through a bulk phase right now along with my workouts in which I'm trying to put on muscle, and so I eating a lot more than normal. So if you want to eat at maintenance, eat less than this, or if you're trying to lose weight, definitely eat less than this. But yeah, it's just some meal ideas just to give you an idea of how I eat. Cooking is quite a challenge when you come to uni after a long time, like of living with your parents or whatever. So yeah. Anyway, let's get it. Obviously, we want to start the day by drinking a big glass of water. Then it's time for breakfast. So that we have breakfast. What we have here. So here we have some overnight oats that were made with oats, protein powder, milk, and a little bit of chocolate spread. And then we have a banana. We have a bagel with light green cheese, and here we have an omelette with spinach, low-fat cheese, and ham. So if you want to take a look inside, that's what it looks like. Let's go. Time to get lunch now. For lunch here we have nothing exciting. We have a Sainsbury's sandwich, pre-bacon and chili chutney. It's my favorite one that I get from Sainsbury's. Tesco has some really good one, but I'm lazy because it's far. Anyway, and here I have some leftover chili pesto from yesterday that I made yesterday, and it's just pasta, whole wheat pasta, cooking chili pesto and low-fat cheese. So I'm gonna enjoy this. Just finished working out. Now we're gonna go eat some more food. Cookies and cream, protein shake and water, and a bagel as glycogen replenishment. What is wrong with me? I'm hungry again already. It's dinner time. So finally for dinner, we have right here some sweet chili chicken and lots of vegetables and white rice, which is quite fun to make, and it tastes really good and it's really healthy. It has a lot of protein, obviously a lot of micronutrients with the vegetables, and it's a good source of carbs with the rice. And with that I'm having some leftover Coke Zero calorie drink from yesterday. Don't want to get those liquid calories in. And yeah, so basically I messed up a bit, broke my glasses, so I have these new ones here. Anyway, let's go get the last meal, not really meal, snack, whatever, of the day right now. So the last meal of the day is peanut butter and jam sandwich along with a casein protein shake in milk. So important for the bulk.